Is acne your biggest concern? Do you want clear skin? The treatment that's right for you depends on your individual condition. If you have mild to moderate acne, such as whiteheads or blackheads, your treatment should be relatively easy. Our Acne Cure Kit is the perfect solution to treat your acne. This Acne Cure 3-Step Acne Clarifying System is specifically formulated for acne and dark spots. It is a 3-step simple process for an acne-free and even skin tone. The salicylic acid in the gel cleanser and cream removes impurities and helps remove blackheads. It helps to eliminate clogged pores and clears the existing blemishes. Tea tree oil has anti-inflammatory benefits and is also a powerful natural oil. It relieves irritated skin and helps in reducing redness and swelling. It also addresses skin concerns like acne and dark spots. The natural oil used also promotes healthy and glowing skin. The Acne Cure 3-Step Acne Clarifying System is all about 3 simple steps for an acne-free and flawless complexion. Try our Acne Cure Kit today.